Want to know how to check if a matrix is a sparse matrix in Java? So in this video, we will be coding and I'm going to explain you how to check if a matrix is a sparse matrix. So a sparse matrix is one where the number of zero elements is more than half of the total elements. In this code, we loop through every element of the matrix and count how many zeros are there. If the zero count is greater than half of the total elements, we print that matrix in sparse, otherwise we don't. This is super useful when working with memory efficient matrix storage because sparse matrices are very common in real world applications. So right here you can see our code as well. We can just simply copy up this code and I'm just going to run and to show you the results. And there we go. It says sparse matrix because our matrix has more than half of the total elements. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.